Trees provide enormous benefits to mankind. They are particularly great at combating climate change by trapping a lot of CO2. But there is bad news. Our forests are disappearing at an alarming rate. Millions of acres have been destroyed all around the world. Come join the Save Forests, Save Trees, Save Soil. Cause we are on a mission to plant 1 million trees by the end of this month. Come and plant a tree. Let's restore our forests for a healthy planet. Subscribe my channel Prakritik Putra, Prakritik_vlog.